chicken coop. Let me show you around. We have these things called carabiners. They keep raccoons out because raccoons have thumbs. This is where they spend most of their day. They have food, water, and they have grit and oyster shells. The grit and oyster shells make their shells harder, and it's called calcium. Where she's going is going to go lay an egg. They have their sleepy boxes and their nesting boxes up there. These are called roost bars. This is where they sleep, and that chicken's going to lay an egg. Check if we have any eggs. These two are laying, and that one's a broody hen. A broody hen is a hen that wants to have babies, and so they guard the eggs. And this looks like a light brown egg. They lay medium-sized eggs.
Oh, we have scratch.
In the wintertime when it's cold, this warms them up. Well, that was our video. I hope you enjoyed their chicken coop.